Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on HONOR Magic6 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and then scroll down. And now click on Delete your Google account. And now scroll down and click Continue. Here you have to enter your lock screen pattern, or you can use also fingerprint. Now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click Delete account. And now your account is deleted, and now you can recover your account by opening Google Play Store, for example, and then click Sign in. Now you have to enter your email address and then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover it I have to click Next. And now I have to enter my password. Now click I agree. And then click More and Accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.